So thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I'm able to take different techniques and make the signature stamp that I did for our wedding anniversary. We went to Mexico to celebrate 22 years of marriage. We made it and we wanted to really celebrate. So we took the time to go to Mexico, and I wanted us to actually have a stamp that I can use for various things for future celebrations and actually be a part of the love tour. And I'm showing you now how I'm able to take two circles and make a stamp. I'm going to show you how I'm able to make a squiggly line. And then I'm going to show you at the end how I actually weeded it and actually adhered it to my shirt. So thank you for watching me and enjoy the music.